Hey traders, how are you? This is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Today's date is August 20, 2025. It is Wednesday, and we are in the middle of the last hour of the day here, okay? Couple things I want to talk about. One, we're going to take a look at the chart MGA. We're going to look at Costco, COST. We're going to look at HBAN, and we're going to take a look at NEM. But first, I want to take a look at the market and kind of figure out what in the world is going on here, man. Hey, don't forget now, Friday, we're going to hear from Mr. Powell about Fed rates. So that really could shake this market up a little bit. No guarantee it's going to go up. No guarantee it's going to go down. In fact, this is where I would like to say, just follow the trend. But here's the problem with that. Let me share this with you. Follow the trend. Man. So if we followed the trend earlier today, look where we would have been on the SPY, and we would have just crushed my trend as far as price goes. And let me show you what I mean here. So my trend, my personal trading trend is these green dots right here, right there. We call that the trend indicator, okay? Now, this black line, that's the 8 EMA right there. And as long as the 8 EMA is over the trend indicator, it's still a bullish chart to me. On the other hand, when you have a day that looks like this, it's hard to argue a bullish chart. It's darn near impossible. And I certainly wasn't arguing that today at all, believe me. But when it comes down to it, it's just follow the trend. I think is the best. One of the best answers to stock trading. Another thing I want to mention is knowing when to pump the brakes. So let's talk about that for a second. So here we are down with an ugly candle. Now I know a lot of people had jumped into shorts, and I cautioned a little bit of that on today. Let's not get too carried away. Let the market declare what it's doing. One of my favorite charts is right here. This T2123. It's a TC2000 chart. I think that's the only place you can find it on TC2000. I think some of our members have created with other programs, but I use TC, so here it is. And that never really gave us, let me go the hourly because that's where I should be. We were looking at 15-minute. There we go. It never gave us a reason to be bearish. However, just the way the chart was acting with price action, and then over here to the left, you see I've got VXX. With VXX rising, what it did is it gave us a reason to pump the brakes. Don't get carried away with longs. Don't try to pick bottoms. Don't go short. Be careful, because this market is not finished doing whatever it's doing. It has not declared its direction yet. I know when you look at this, you think, oh yes, it's declared it. Well, I don't know. Let's wait and see. I think we still need to wait and see here. So anyway, here, again, we're on the last hour of the day. At this moment, as right now, it's 3:12 Eastern, and you can see that we're dropping down here on VXX. That's good for the bulls. Here we're rising up here. That's good for the bulls. We have a little hammer being put in here. That's good for the bulls. But remember, we need follow through on a hammer, okay? Now, with that said, if you kind of rush things, a lot of times what happens is you end up with these losing trades. Look, this sounds corny, but it's the losing trades that get you, right? We all know that. So maybe the thing to do is sit on your hands for a little while, go to cash maybe, manage the positions you have. Maybe you need to close them out. Maybe at some point during the day it'll offer to buy more of something, something like that. So just know when to pump the brakes, and you don't have to be trading every minute, every hour, every single day. Keep that in mind. Okay. Hey, let's look at some charts. I have some charts to look at. please bear with me. I do want to show you one thing right here. I want to remind everybody that we have a boot camp open house scheduled for August 26th. That's next Tuesday coming up. And you don't need to be there all day long if you don't want to be at all. You don't have to be. But if you wanted to learn more about the rounded bottom breakout, if you're there at 9 or 10:30, this is Eastern time, we will be having a class on that, a boot camp class. And if you'd like to learn more about the pinball setup and the modified pinball setup, there we are right there at 12 noon Eastern. And of course, if you want to hang out all day with us, we would love that. Please ask tons and tons of questions. One thing is, you must register for this. So you're watching this on YouTube right now. Check below in the description and grab that link, that registration link, click on it, register, and then you'll get an email with all the password stuff and all that to get in the room. Again, that's Tuesday, August 26th, all right? Look forward to seeing you. Whoops, all right, good enough. So, and when you're down there in the description, if you want to leave a comment, please do so. Here's something. Tell me why you think you should receive a free couple of weeks with Hit and Run Candlesticks, no strings attached, 100% membership. Share with me why you think you should get that, and we will pick a couple of folks that leave us a comment. Just tell us why you think you should receive that, all right? That'd be great. Hey, also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and again, leave any comments you like. Now let's take a look at a couple of those charts. Let's start with MGA. We're going to look at long charts here, okay? MGA, look how that thing is setting up. Let's do this right here. There we go. My trading trend is bullish. You see the green dots. And here we've had this big pop to the upside. We broke out over these highs, broke out over that high. I guess we broke out over this high too, right there. And we're just riding the T-line. Right now, we're in a 3-8 trap. That's one of our entry mechanisms that we use. So here's one I'm looking to push higher. We'll see about getting into that one ourselves. But right now, that's looking pretty good. You might want to put that on your watch list. You know, one thing that I might do with TC2000 is come up here and put a line in there and then just set up an alert. You know, just set an alert. Boom, just like that. And what'll happen is I'll be alerted when we move above that 44.77. That will make me go take a look at the chart and decide if I want to buy it maybe. And it's also buyable here for those that don't mind being underneath that downtrend line. All right, now let's take a look at Costco. Look at Costco. That is a good looking chart. One of the things that I love to do is draw this these lines right here. And putting those, they're what they are is quadrant lines, and then I've got two fib lines on them. This is the 50% retracement right there, and then the fib lines is this one here. That's a 62, right, and this is the 37. Actually, here I'm gonna redo this. That's an old one, I think. There we go. That's better. There we go. That's the 61.8, and that is the 38.2 right there. So what I like to do is come over here, and right where that bunch of lines are, that's the 50% retracement area. So see how we rallied up above that? We came back and tested it. We're running right into that 61.8 right now. That's a beautiful target right there. So I'm going to just duplicate that line and put it right there. And we'll duplicate this one. And we'll move it up to here. And that's the next target I'm going to look for. Costco, between 1,020 and 1,030. So maybe 1,025 bucks there. So that's a great looking chart, a great looking setup. The next chart I'm going to look up is H-band, a little more affordable for some folks. Take a look at H-band here. H-band is working out pretty nice. So I'm going to do that same sort of thing. I'm just going to put this up, and then I'm not going to talk about it too much right now. I'll talk about it a lot more at our boot camp. So please, again, make sure you register for that. So you can see here, we've broken out of that 50% area. We've gone through the 61.8. We're at the 75 line now, right here at the 75 line. So I'm going to put this up right here. That's what we need to break out of. And then we'll duplicate this. And this is going to be the next target up here that I'm looking at, which happens to be those highs over here. See, trading is not difficult. Just need a little guidance sometimes, maybe a strategy or a way to do things. It's like anything. If you've never changed a tire, that's the hardest thing in the world. Once somebody teaches you to change the tire, pretty simple then. So baking a cake would be the same way. Fishing the same way, Anyway, so H-band is looking pretty good. So from about here up, you've got about a 4% trade on H-band. Looking great. The last one I have is NEM. And before we do this one, I want to say thank you very, very much for watching our video. And please do give us a like if you like it. Subscribe if you'd like. Make sure you hit the bell in there. You'll be alerted when we put a new video out. Check out our episodes. I think I have an episode 13 right now on the Uber swing trade. Check that out. It's just a couple minutes long talking about the trade we did on it. And make sure you register for that boot camp if you'd like to join us next Tuesday, okay? And leave a comment on why you think you should have a free couple of weeks with Hit Run Candlesticks. Love to have you there. All right, anyway, take a look at NEM. I just simply took this low, that pivot low down there, simply took the high and drew it down to this low over here. So just boom, boom, boom. And that gives us our lines up here. There's my 50% target in that area. Right now, we're looking at the neighborhood of, 3-4% on that. I could take this and duplicate it, and that would be the next target to the upside on it right there. And if you want something, a little shorter, we can do that too. Right there would be a target, which happens to be the highs up there. All righty. Thank you so much for watching this video. I absolutely appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing everybody in the trading room Tuesday for our boot camp, okay? Thanks, everyone. Have a great evening.